Okay, today we are going to see how to send an email with Python. I just did this a blog like this, so let's go and see what I did. Email in Python, send a mail with Python. There you go. I made it last year, so this time we want to make it a little better and for our purpose. And so here it is, our code here. Let's check it and let's copy this one, save it into a folder that is called email, and I call this send email.py. Let's see what we got here. We got smtlib, and I got this server login, my email, other email, etc. Now I got to, let me check out here how we do it,
So we want to send an email security.
because
Click on it.
we need
As you
to
see here,
go here. Let me check out here. You have to go to your Google account and go to security, go to passwords. Okay, Google account security, let's go there. There we go. And okay, we need to go to manage your Google account, security, and now following my own tutorial, after we check security, we have to go to password here and add password, I think. Okay, here I got okay, your app password. Now select the app and device you want to generate the app for. Now let me check here. What I did? I put in the password, and then okay, I don't think I can do it with the same password here, because once you generate it, you can use this code to send your email. And so let me show you again how to generate. You go, remember here, you go to your manage your Google account, security, then you go to add password here, put your code here, enter your password, then you go here and go mail and go your device where you want to use this program, and you generate the code. Then you go into your editor here and do this code, that is import smtplib, and then you use server equal to make this instance of SMTP. With this, if you use Gmail, you will use smtp.gmail.com, and this port here 587, and then you do on this instance use this method server.hello once, then you go and server.start_tls, then server here, I forget an R here, I will correct this later when I will understand that I made an error. And then I do login, and in the login here method I'm gonna put my email and the password that I generated. So you can use it once, then it will cannot use it again. You need to make a new one if you want to use it. And this is the login, this is the send email, this is the who sends the email, who receive it, this is the body of the email, and then you copy the password there. You see here in the login, the first argument here is your address and your username, that is the address usually, and the password that you just generated. Okay, so you go and run the new server.quit here, and okay, now I'm explaining how to generate it. And you see this is the password that you copy, as I said earlier, and you're gonna copy it here as a second argument here. Now you run the code, and I made some typo here. Here is server, right? And also here there is another error because it's always server. Run it, and it's gone. So now I go check my mail, and I should find that. Let me go, and I should find, here it is, my email with no subject, and the body is that one. So this is how you can send an email, and I made it this, and I am remaking it because you could ask, why do you make it? So I made it again, created a new, and now I am, there it is, my new subject here, this is the message in the email, and so I made it again. So I changed a little bit the code to so that you cannot see the password that I used, and you can do it too. I put my username and password in another file, in another Python file that I call credentials. And so in that file I wrote something like this: username equal blah 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 gmail.com, and password equal the one that you made, like I told you before. And so here I am importing these two variables into this one, and so I do what I just explained you. I import smtplib, and then I open the server here, create this server that uses this address and this port, addressing so to the Gmail SMTP. With this command here, I initialize everything, ready to send the message. And so then I just log in with the username, that is the email itself, the password generated, and then I send a mail from this one to this one. That is the same. I'm sending the mail to myself with this body. Okay, I don't know how to put an object. I'm gonna check it, and here is the email that arrived. If you want to, I can make another. Let me send a third email to let you see that it works. There it is. This is the third. And now I want to use this code for my purposes. Maybe I need to put a subject here. I'm gonna do a little search, right? And I'm gonna look for Python send mail subject and submission. Let me see how Python subject not shown. Equal subject, attach it as a header. What? Send mail, sender, receiver message. Okay, here it is using from person to mimic subject. Let me see if here host port. Okay, this is sender and receiver message. I don't know, let me check this one. I don't know exactly. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. Okay, message. Let me use this one. When I see if this works as they say. Let me run it. Here it is. Oh, I haven't. Okay, yes, you can see now the subject. Instead here there was no subject, so I guess it worked. This is a test email message. So that's how we put a message here. So from let me just check something here. From to okay. I think this is not subject mail from. Okay, this two thing here. Okay. And we can put more addresses here. Okay. This is also interesting. Receivers. You can put more than one. So I can put it like this. Let me see what happens if I can send two of these emails here. And let me put the receivers here. Mail, mail, mail. Let me go. Why mail is not if I use it here it works. Okay, let me see if I can send it twice. Let me do it again. Change a little bit. This is a new test. I send it twice to the same address. Okay, so I tried to send it to two emails, and it worked. And because you see here, I put this other address of mine, and I have, this is one, and this is the second one, and so I received them. There it goes. And okay, now I'm able to send these emails to more people. So I will go and make a list here. I don't understand why this won't work this way. Mail is not defined. I really don't understand this thing here. Receivers is not what? Okay, this is a typo here. Okay, now it worked. There's something that I don't understand. It did not work so well because okay, here it goes. I got it. Yeah, this is the last one, this is the last one, and this is the previous one, and so I got it also on this other email. Okay, so now I can send it to more email. One thing that I want to do now is to send a different message for every receiver. So let's go and make a function out of this. Same. So I'm gonna send the same email here. Let me see if it works, because there could be some it right here and take some time to arrive here. There you go, it's arrived. Okay. Now what if I want to change the, okay, I'm gonna make it this way, the message here. Okay, I'm gonna do another function. Don't want to waste too much time abstracting it. Different email. A different content. So to make it, mail let me see, see if it works this way. I have some. I don't think so. Let me copy this and change it. Okay, this should go to the first and this to the second. Right? Yeah. And second email, first email. So I could do something really simple. For email in email for message and message and we will use enumerate. Let's see if it works. Line 35. Okay, maybe now it worked. Okay, we got this one with no subject and the first email, the first one. In the other one, it's not arrived yet for some reason. It comes okay, and this is the second mail. So okay, worked. So I think this kinda rough thing here that I made seems to work. The subject here, I'm just asking myself why I get no subject here. And no subject also here, while I had it here. Why this? This is a let me do this. Second email again. The subject email from Gigi. Email 1 and email 2. Let me see what happens. Okay, now we get the subject. I think in both of these, there we go with the subject. It was because I have to put no space in here. Okay, that's all. That's how you can do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Follow me to see other way to make nice things with Python. Thank you, and if you have time, subscribe and push on that bell where I send you notifications about new videos about Python. Thank you, and see you next time.